Let's explore 15 incredible carnivorous plants that not only capture insects, but also have hunting strategies that will surprise you. Number 15. Venus flytrap, Dionea muscipula. The Venus flytrap, with its instantly recognizable jaw-like leaves, has captivated the attention of nature lovers and scientists alike. This plant has a remarkable survival strategy. Its jaws close shut when an unsuspecting insect brushes against its tiny trigger hairs. Within seconds, the trap seals, enclosing its prey. The inner surface then releases digestive enzymes, breaking down the insect into vital nutrients. This process, which takes several days, allows the Venus flytrap to absorb the sustenance it needs, compensating for its nutrient-poor soil environment. The plant's efficiency is unmatched in the plant kingdom, turning passive feeding into a high-stakes game of patience and precision. Originating in the boggy regions of North and South Carolina, the Venus flytrap's unique adaptations are vital for its survival. Each trap can only close a limited number of times, so every meal counts. Even the act of closing requires energy, which is why it has evolved to be selective about its movements. This delicate balance between conservation and aggression makes the Venus flytrap one of nature's most fascinating creations. Its rapid movement and calculated trapping mechanisms offer a glimpse into an unseen world of plant predation, one where timing and patience determine success. Number 14. Tropical pitcher plant, Nepenthes. In the dense rainforests of Southeast Asia, the tropical pitcher plant stands out with its elongated, brightly colored traps. Its pitcher-like leaves are filled with a digestive liquid that attracts insects with sweet-smelling nectar around the rim. Once an insect ventures too close and falls in, the slick walls prevent escape, and it eventually drowns in the liquid below. The plant then secretes enzymes that break down the insect's body, transforming it into essential nutrients. This slow and steady digestion process allows the Nepenthes to thrive in soil deficient in necessary minerals. Some species of Nepenthes grow large enough to trap not only insects, but also small vertebrates like frogs and lizards. This variety in size and adaptability reflects the plant's evolutionary success in diverse environments. Interestingly, the plant has also formed symbiotic relationships with local animals, such as tree shrews, which feed on its nectar and, in return, leave droppings that the plant absorbs as fertilizer. The tropical pitcher plant's intricate design and survival strategies showcase the adaptability of carnivorous plants, making it a true marvel of the plant kingdom. Number 13. American pitcher plant, Sarracenia. Native to North American bogs, the American pitcher plant is a master of deception. Its tubular leaves, filled with digestive fluids, lure in insects drawn by its sweet-smelling nectar. Once inside, the insect finds it nearly impossible to escape due to the downward-pointing hairs that line the tube. As the prey struggles, it eventually succumbs to exhaustion and falls to the bottom, where it's slowly digested by the plant's enzymes. This process supplies the American pitcher plant with nutrients it can't obtain from the surrounding poor soil. The various species of Sarracenia display an array of vibrant colors and patterns that further entice insects to explore their depths. Over time, the American pitcher plant has adapted to a range of climates across the continent, from the cooler northern regions to the warm southern swamps. This versatility and efficiency make it a favorite among both botanists and plant collectors, as well as a crucial part of its ecosystem. Its striking appearance and deadly tactics offer a perfect balance between beauty and survival in the natural world. Number 12. Sundudrosera. Covered in glistening, sticky droplets, the sundew looks as if it's sparkling with morning dew, but these droplets serve a far more sinister purpose. When an insect lands on the sundew, it becomes hopelessly trapped by the sticky fluid. As the insect struggles, the plant's tentacle-like leaves slowly curl around it, securing the prey further. The plant then secretes digestive enzymes, breaking down the insect to absorb precious nutrients. This predatory process allows the sundew to flourish in otherwise barren soils. Sundews can be found on every continent except Antarctica, adapting to various climates and soils. Their ability to move in response to touch is an extraordinary adaptation in the plant world, enabling them to maximize their nutrient intake. The Sundu's delicate beauty and lethal grip make it a wonder to behold and a reminder of nature's ingenuity. This delicate balance between charm and danger makes it a captivating study of the complex strategies plants use to survive in hostile environments. Number 11. Bladder Wart, Utricularia. Bladder warts, one of the few truly aquatic carnivorous plants, have a unique method of capturing prey. Tiny bladder-like sacs under the water act as suction traps, snapping shut the moment small aquatic organisms brush against their trigger hairs. This rapid, almost invisible process happens in milliseconds, drawing the prey into a vacuum-sealed chamber where it's digested. These bladders are specially designed to capture small creatures like water fleas and even tiny fish larvae. With over 200 species found around the globe, bladderworts have adapted to thrive in nutrient-poor freshwater environments. Their highly efficient trapping mechanism showcases one of the most complex and precise forms of predation in the plant world. Floating gracefully, bladderworts provide a silent, deadly service to their ecosystem by helping control small aquatic populations. Their sophisticated and efficient trapping ability has long fascinated scientists, as these tiny plants quietly demonstrate how even the smallest organisms can develop highly advanced survival strategies. Number 10. Butterwort, Pinguicula. Butterworts stand out with their glossy, sticky leaves that act as an irresistible landing pad for small insects. Once an insect touches these surfaces, it becomes glued to the plant, which then secretes digestive enzymes to break down the prey. This process turns the insect into a liquid nutrient source, which the butterwort absorbs. It's a slow, deliberate method, but it serves the plant well in nutrient-poor soils. These plants can be found in diverse environments, from damp bogs to arid mountainsides, showing impressive adaptability. Butterworts use their beautiful, sometimes even pastel-colored leaves to attract insects, deceiving them with a seemingly harmless appearance. While they appear gentle, their highly effective predatory strategy reveals a lethal side, transforming innocent-seeming leaves into powerful traps. This blend of charm and lethal precision makes butterworts a captivating addition to the world of carnivorous plants. Number 9. Sun pitcher, Heliamphora. Endemic to the highlands of Venezuela, the sun pitcher has adapted to harsh environments with its tall, tube-like leaves. Each tube holds a pool of digestive fluids that await any insect drawn in by the sweet nectar around the rim. Unlike other pitchers, the sun pitcher relies on a combination of rainwater and bacterial digestion to break down its prey, making each meal a slow, natural process. The insects drown and decompose in this fluid, providing the plant with vital nutrients. Surviving in the extreme climates of high altitudes, the sun pitcher's unique adaptations showcase nature's resilience. Its ability to thrive in these conditions makes it a focus for researchers interested in survival strategies. While it may look delicate, the sun pitcher's survival mechanisms are both efficient and surprisingly complex. This plant demonstrates the balance of beauty and functionality, thriving where few other plants can, and captivating botanists with its remarkable strategies. Number 8. Australian pitcher plant, Cephalotus follicularis. Small but mighty, the Australian pitcher plant has evolved into a specialized predator in the wild landscapes of southwest Australia. Its compact pitchers lure insects in with nectar, and once inside, a slippery rim ensures they fall into the pool of digestive enzymes waiting below. The prey has little chance of escape, as the plant's structure is designed to be one of nature's most efficient traps. Nutrients absorbed from the insects support its survival in nutrient-poor soils. Despite its small size, the Australian pitcher plant holds its own among larger pitcher plants. Its highly evolved trapping mechanism and limited habitat make it a unique and rare specimen in the plant world. The intricate design of its pitchers highlights the diversity of carnivorous plants and the lengths nature will go to ensure survival. This plant's subtle beauty and deadly functionality make it a truly fascinating example of botanical adaptation. Number 7. Rainbow plant, Biis. The rainbow plant's name comes from the beautiful, shimmering droplets on its leaves, creating a stunning rainbow effect in the sunlight. However, these droplets are sticky traps for insects. Once an insect lands, it becomes immobilized, and the rainbow plant's enzymes go to work, digesting the insect to extract essential nutrients. This process is slow and methodical, turning an alluring appearance into an efficient feeding strategy. Found in Australia, the rainbow plant thrives in areas where soil nutrients are scarce. Its sticky rainbow droplets not only attract prey, but also provide it with the nutrients it needs to survive. This dual purpose of beauty and function makes the rainbow plant both captivating and deadly, embodying the delicate balance between survival and allure in the plant kingdom. Number 6. Corkscrew plant, Genula. With its underground twisted leaves, the corkscrew plant has a unique approach to capturing prey. These subterranean leaves act like a corkscrew, drawing small organisms from the soil into a trap where they are digested. This adaptation allows the plant to capture and consume microorganisms that most other plants would never encounter, turning the corkscrew plant into an underground predator. This fascinating mechanism has allowed the corkscrew plant to thrive in environments where other plants might struggle. Its ability to feed from below the surface showcases the versatility of carnivorous plants, adapting to survive in any nutrient-deficient environment. Number 5. Water wheel plant, Aldra Vasculosa. The water wheel plant, a close relative of the Venus flytrap, is one of the few fully aquatic carnivorous plants. Floating freely in fresh water, it captures small aquatic insects with its snap-trap leaves, which close rapidly when triggered. The entire trapping process occurs in mere milliseconds, quickly ensnaring water fleas and other tiny organisms. Once the prey is secured, the plant's digestive enzymes break down the soft tissues, allowing the water wheel to absorb the essential nutrients it needs for survival. This fascinating plant is found in nutrient-poor wetlands across Europe, Africa, and Asia, where it relies on a high-speed hunting mechanism to sustain itself. Despite its tiny size and delicate appearance, the water wheel is an efficient predator, able to capture prey in the blink of an eye. Number 4. Albany pitcher plant, Sephus follicularis. Endemic to southwestern Australia, the Albany pitcher plant captivates with its small but efficient pitfall traps. Each pitcher is filled with digestive fluid and features a lid that prevents rainwater from diluting its enzymes, allowing it to effectively digest prey. Insects drawn to the plant's sweet nectar slip on its slick surface, falling directly into the pitcher where escape is nearly impossible. Slowly, the Albany pitcher absorbs nutrients from the decomposing prey, adapting to thrive in poor soils. Known for its compact size and unique structure, the Albany pitcher is a resilient plant that has carved out a niche in harsh conditions. Its ability to adapt and survive in limited habitats showcases the remarkable resilience of carnivorous plants. Number 3. Cobra lily, Darlingtonia, Californica. Resembling the head of a cobra, the cobra lily's hooded leaves create an intriguing and effective trap. The plant's downward-facing openings and translucent windows confuse insects, which find themselves hopelessly trapped within the plant's winding interior. Once inside, insects have no chance of escape and are eventually digested, providing essential nutrients to the plant. Found in nutrient-poor soils, this unique structure is a lifeline, allowing it to sustain itself in challenging environments. Native to Northern California and Oregon, the cobra lily is a marvel of adaptation, relying on a combination of allure and disorientation to capture its prey. Its striking resemblance to a snake has made it a popular specimen among carnivorous plant enthusiasts. Number 2. Portuguese Sundu, Drosophilum lusitanicum. Unlike many carnivorous plants that thrive in wet conditions, the Portuguese sundu is adapted to dry, rocky environments. Its slender, sticky leaves emit a sweet scent, attracting insects that become ensnared in its viscous secretions. Once trapped, the insect is slowly digested, with the plant absorbing nutrients through its leaf surfaces. This adaptation allows the Portuguese sundu to flourish in nutrient-deficient soils where other plants would struggle. Native to the Iberian Peninsula and Morocco, The Portuguese Sundu is unique in its tolerance for dry climates. Its unusual ability to retain moisture within its leaves makes it a resilient predator. This combination of drought tolerance and carnivorous adaptation demonstrates the plant's remarkable versatility and adaptability. Number 1. Tropical dew plant, Rorida. Though not technically carnivorous, the tropical dew plant has a fascinating partnership with carnivorous insects that helps it absorb nutrients. This South African plant captures insects with its sticky leaves, but instead of digesting them directly, it relies on assassin bugs that feed on the trapped insects. The plant then absorbs nutrients from the assassin bugs' droppings, forming a unique mutualistic relationship. This unusual strategy sets the tropical dew plant apart from other insect-trapping plants, showcasing an indirect approach to obtaining nutrients. By fostering a relationship with a predatory insect, Rorida thrives in nutrient-poor soil without direct predation. Thanks for joining us on this wild journey through the world of carnivorous plants. If you enjoyed discovering these fascinating predators, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more.